Welcome to our comparison video where we dive deep into two powerful graphics cards from Gigabyte, the GeForce RTX 4060 and the Radeon RX 7600 XT. Both cards are designed for gamers, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Today, we'll explore their specifications, performance, and unique features to help you decide which one is the best fit for your gaming setup. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 is priced at $319, making it a more affordable option for gamers on a budget. In contrast, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600 XT comes in at $359, which may be a consideration for those looking for more performance, but at a higher cost. It's essential to weigh your budget against the features each card offers. One significant difference between these two graphics cards is their VRAM capacity. The RTX 4060 features 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is suitable for most gaming scenarios. However, the RX 7600 XT boasts an impressive 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, providing better performance in memory-intensive games and higher resolutions. This makes the RX 7600 XT a more future-proof option for gamers looking to push their graphics settings. In terms of features, the RTX 4060 comes equipped with NVIDIA's DLSS 3 technology, which can significantly enhance performance in supported games by using AI to upscale lower-resolution images. On the other hand, the RX 7600 XT supports AMD's Fidelity FX Super Resolution, which also aims to improve frame rates while maintaining visual fidelity. Depending on the games you play, these features can influence your gaming experience. In conclusion, both the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 and the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7600 XT have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 4060 is a more budget-friendly option with solid performance, while the RX 7600 XT offers more VRAM and advanced features for a higher price. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your gaming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like